Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Looking for the best Indian SMM panel for reselling in 2026? In this video, I'm comparing 5 popular SMM panels based on their features, pricing, services, reseller options, and overall usability. So let's start with number 1. MSP Panel. MSP Panel is a strong option for Indian resellers, especially if you're looking for affordable social media services and convenient payment options. You can find services for platforms like Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and more. One of the main things to check here is the pricing. You can browse individual services and compare their rates before placing an order. For resellers, features like wallet funding, API integration, and a large service catalog can make it easier to manage multiple client orders from one place. If you're specifically targeting the Indian market, MSP Panel is definitely one worth checking out. Number 2. 7SMM. 7SMM offers a wide range of social media services, making it useful for resellers who want multiple platforms and service categories under one dashboard. Here, pay attention to the service names, minimum quantities, delivery speed, and price per thousand. Another important thing for resellers is whether the panel provides API access, because that can help automate orders when you're running your own reseller website. So 7SMM is worth considering if service variety and reseller functionality are your priorities. Number 3. SMM Raja. The first thing you'll notice is its range of social media services. You can explore different categories and compare the available services before deciding what works best for your clients. For resellers, I'd recommend checking 3 things carefully: the service price, minimum order, and delivery details. You should also check whether the particular service offers features such as refill or replacement, because these terms can vary from one service to another. Overall, SMM Raja can be another option for resellers who want a straightforward panel with multiple social media services. Number 4. YoYoMedia. YoYoMedia offers services across multiple social platforms, including Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn, Telegram, and more. Its website currently advertises services starting from very low rates, with some services listed from around $0.01 per thousand. For resellers, another feature to look for is API access, which can help automate orders through your own website or reseller setup. It also supports multiple payment methods, including options that can be useful for Indian users. So if low pricing, service variety, and reseller tools are important to you, YoYoMedia is worth checking. Number 5. JustAnotherPanel. This is another popular option for resellers, particularly because of its large catalog of social media services. When comparing services here, make sure you look beyond just the cheapest price. Check the minimum order, delivery speed, refill or replacement terms, and the actual service description. For anyone building a reseller business, these details can make a big difference when you're handling multiple customer orders. So, JustAnotherPanel is another option to keep on your comparison list. Final verdict. If you're specifically targeting Indian customers and want a reseller-friendly panel, MSP Panel is my number 1 pick from this list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more SMM panel comparisons. I'll see you in the next one.